Safe mode. You out of batteries?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I'll fly this and then probably I'll just pack up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. There we go. I'm sure the guy they asked me if I'm still trading, so I'm flying.
I'm flying.
Yeah.
I'll go straight for a downwind pass while I got the battery.
I think mine is a new EDF, that's why it doesn't have much power.
Mine sounds like shit, but it flies good.
So those are 70, right?
64.
64?
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, the one is fine, but the other one is weak. Yeah, it has a lot of power.
Yeah, it does. You can pretty much just get yourself out of trouble.
Yeah.
You know.
I think with mine, what I'll do is if I replace the EDF from the old one, maybe
Yeah.
I can get it going like this. I mean, if it's only a 64, it's no big deal. Just put a powerful one in there.
Yeah, you could probably fit like a small 6S battery and, you know, put a 6S 64 in.
Nice ESC.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mine has like a 70 ESC, I think.
I think it's got a pretty big, yeah.
They come with a big one, yeah. It's at least a 40, I know that. But I think mine is being replaced. Yeah, a 6S would be nice on this plane. That's what it needs. But then the EDF has to be 6S rated.
Yeah, the right KV.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's got a ton of power. I'll tell you what you should do is max out all the throws mechanically.
Uh-huh.
That made a huge difference.
Maybe I'll do that. Yeah.
Because I can just toss this around like, I mean, you know, almost stupid levels of flying it like that, and it...
But it looks good, this plane. Man.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Tried one more down the street.
Wow. Yeah.
Come back the other way. Doing these teardrops, you got to watch that you have enough elevator to pull out of that, but... Woo!
Did you record that?
Yeah. That was pretty close.
Imagine getting hit by one of those at that speed.
Yeah, it probably would have sucked.
That will be a big hit. And plane destroyed.
See if I can do one slow pass before I land.
Okay.
I'll circle around.
9, 8,
Yeah, mine doesn't last more than 3.5 minutes.
5, 4.
If you, I mean, if you fly it slow, I can fly like forever.
So 2200 foreheads, right?
Yep. Oh, that wasn't a very good one. We can do better.
I have from 2205 S's for my.
Oh, I wonder if it would take that.
So maybe I can do that. But if I have to replace that on the PDF. Nice.
Yeah, it's just too windy to get it stable.
Yeah.
Because it will area nice. Okay, I'll bring it in. I do have the original receiver, so I have safe.
You do? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of them, you read your group, and we have the Got it!
Nice.
That was nice.
That was nice. That was like I meant to do it.
Yeah, just do the landing skids. That will help you.
Yeah.
I will save it because I wasn't.
It's already worn down pretty good, but
yeah.
it's fun. I like it because I didn't, you know, I think I paid $100 for it or so. I got it when I got all those planes at once.
You got it used.
Yeah, I got it used.
Oh, okay.
But it was like new condition.
Mine were free. A couple of friends, they gave me one each.